struggling with the cord of your vacuum cleaner when you're cleaning? I know I am. A quick disclaimer here. I received this vacuum cleaner free to try. So let's open and install it together. Here is your new cleaning helper. Let's learn more about why it's great for your home. It is designed for easy cleaning on different surfaces like hard floors, carpets, and tiles. The battery provides extended cleaning time without frequent charging and lets you clean larger areas without interruption. It has 5-layer filtration system. The brush head swivels sideways and up and down for easy maneuvering. It is equipped with 4 bright LED lights to illuminate corners and ensure thorough cleaning. I really like how this vacuum looks and feels. It's easy to use and not too heavy. You can even hang it on the wall when you're not using it. It has different tools to help clean different places and things. And guess what? It doesn't have a cord, so you can move it around without any problems. Cleaning with it is really easy and not a hassle at all. Forget heavy vacuums with cords. This one is light and easy.